The Two Cups. Aarav, a bright 28-year-old software developer, loved coding. He built amazing apps and solved complex problems, yet his own finances felt like a tangled mess. Despite a good salary, his bank account always seemed to empty faster than he could fill it. He often wondered if financial freedom was just a myth. One evening, Aarav confided in his older cousin, who suggested he speak to Mr. Sharma, a retired financial advisor known for his wisdom. Hesitantly, Aarav booked an appointment, hoping for some clarity. Mr. Sharma greeted Aarav with a warm smile. After listening patiently, he placed two identical, empty cups on his desk. "Imagine these," he began. "Represent your income. Every rupee you earn goes into one of these cups. This first cup," Mr. Sharma explained, pointing to one, "is your spending cup. It holds money for your daily needs, your rent, food, entertainment, everything you spend on to live your life." He then pointed to the second cup. "And this, Aarav, is your freedom cup. This cup is for your future, for your investments, for your dreams. It's the money that will work for you, growing over time." "The secret to financial freedom," Mr. Sharma continued, "is to consistently fill your freedom cup first, even if it's just a little, before you touch your spending cup. Make it a non-negotiable habit." Inspired, Aarav returned home with a new resolve. He set up an automatic transfer to his investment account the moment his salary came in. It felt small at first, but he stuck to it, diligently filling his freedom cup. Months turned into a year. Aarav continued to learn about different investment options, slowly increasing his contributions as his income grew. He saw his freedom cup steadily filling, not just with his savings, but with the returns from his investments. The tangled mess of his finances began to unravel. Aarav no longer worried about unexpected expenses. He had built a safety net, and his future dreams felt within reach. The two cups metaphor had transformed his life. He often shared Mr. Sharma's wisdom, knowing that consistent, small steps could lead to immense financial freedom. Aarav had found his path, one cup at a time.